Welcome back, you beautiful people. In this short video, I want to show you guys how to begin using PHP. In order to begin actually using PHP and to be able to execute PHP, you must have a web site service of some sort, a hosting service, for example, something that runs cPanel or direct admin. That's fine as well. And you can find a lot of hosting companies out there that can offer these services for quite cheap. And maybe I'll do some giveaways as our videos progress. But what I wanted to touch on was our first PHP program or website, so to speak. It's not going to be a very sophisticated website because it's just going to be a hello world example. And so I have two files, index.php and plain.php on my web server. And in order to execute PHP, usually you have to name the file with the .php extension. So that's what I did. I named this file plain.php. In order to begin executing PHP code, you must write an opening tag. And this is what the opening tag looks like. And as well, you must have, usually it's best practice to have a closing tag. And what that basically tells the server is that whatever's in here, whatever's going to be inside of this section should be executed as PHP. So if I were to save this and load it here, nothing should appear, but whatever is in there, so whatever code we're going to put in there, we're going to try to get it to appear on this page. All right. So the first thing I want to show you guys very quickly is how to initiate a variable. And to do that, the first thing we need to do, I'm just going to adjust my spaces here quickly, is all variables start with the $sign. So it's $sign and the name of your variable. In this case, I'm going to name this variable string. And I'm going to set this variable by setting it using the equal sign to hello world. So now we have hello world, the string, right? And this variable points to the string. That's all it does. So even if we were to save this, again, nothing would appear here. We'd literally have to tell PHP to output whatever is, in the string, which is hello world. And in order to do that, the easiest way is usually to use the echo command, the echo function. So you type echo $string and make sure to close it off with those semicolons. Without those semicolons, your code is going to break. It's not forgiving at all. So you have to include the semicolons at the end. Now this, if we reload this, there we have our first hello world being executed, being outputted by our PHP code.